Hi, welcome. Glad you came out today. Most exciting day in BlastOne's recent expansion happens to be our open house, so welcome. This is where sales, rental operations, techs, and myself office every day. Love the open concept, work life, the collaboration, and meanwhile when customers come, they can check out some really cool shots, grab some gear, utilize one of our private rooms. We're super excited to utilize our training room facility. And second point of access to the building, customers are encouraged to come through, and I'll take them here anyways. Welcome to our showroom. Customers walk in. If you have any interest in any of these products, simple. Grab our laser scanner, scan the QR code, and then on this display, video content, SDS, all the content you could want or need at your fingertips. So we have all of this available. If you want it, you can leave with it. So now I'm going to show you where the magic happens, where this is, and where we operate. This is where the magic happens. And I did mention today is our open house, so there may be a few folks enjoying our day. So here at check-in, I would like to introduce you to Miss Megan Wowler. She's our rental manager here for the Gulf. So to my right, I'd love to showcase you the new Mega Mist Blaster. Being set up behind me is Q Layers. So what Q Layers is custom built trailers, paint robots. Let's go check it out. So here today for our guests, customers, live paint robots, and this simulates the steel surface that will be used on job sites, tank vessels, submarines, marine-time ships. This innovation is the solution in the future. Come out with me and I'll show you the other demo space. So over here, we did the demo earlier for our guests. This is the UHP water jet robot. You notice it's attached by magnets. And this VertiDrive robot right here, this is the one with the interchangeable arms. I would like to point out here, this is the mount for the blasting. And you notice here, you have 3 different nozzles that you're able to fasten. And I would like to showcase our snakebite nozzles. 16% decibel noise reduction, 45 decibel reduction of thrust. Thank you so much for joining us on this momentous day. Very happy to have you. We'll see you at the next one. I'm gonna go grab a steak. Until next time.